Hello children. We all have a machine in our houses to keep food and drinks in it for keeping it cool and fresh for a long time. This machine is called a refrigerator. So today we are going to study the poem Deep in Our Refrigerator, written by Jack Turutsky. Through this poem, the poet shares his views that there is a continuous wastage of eatables, especially food, and no change is made to change the situation. This shows that often food is taken as granted. This poem also shows that people keep on doing mistakes without even thinking about it. How the food is kept in the refrigerator and after some time thrown in the garbage bag. This poem has 3 stanzas of 8 lines each. Deep in our refrigerator, there's a special place for food that's been around a while. We keep it just in case. It's probably too old to eat, my mother likes to say. But I don't think it's old enough for me to throw away. In the first stanza, the poet says that in our refrigerator there are places where we keep our food which is left after eating. The poet says that his mother keeps the leftover food in the refrigerator as it could be eaten afterwards and no use of throwing it away. In the second stanza, the poet says, it stays there for a month or more to ripen in the cold. And soon we notice fuzzy clumps of multicolored mold. The clumps are larger every day. We notice this as well. But mostly what we notice is a certain special smell. In this second stanza, the poet tells that the kept food stays in the refrigerator for a long time to be eaten. And since the food is kept for more than a month in the refrigerator, it takes the shape of bunches of various colors. We notice that the bunch increases day by day. But the main what we notice is a bad smell in our refrigerator. Now in this last stanza, when finally it all becomes a nasty mass of slime, my mother takes it out and says, apparently it's time. She dumps it in the garbage can, though not without regret, then fills the space with other food that's not so ancient yet. In this last stanza, the poet tries to make us understand that a time comes when the kept food starts looking like mud, and when mother sees it, she says, now it is the time to take out the rotten food. And without any grief or sadness, she takes it out from the refrigerator and throws it in a garbage container. Then again, she fills the refrigerator with the leftover food like it was earlier. Children, let us do some word meaning. Ripen, to become ripe. To become ripe. Clumps, bunches, bunches. Mold, shape, shape. slime, mud or slush, mud or slush. Apparently, slightly, slightly. Regret, grief or sorrow, grief or sorrow. Ancient, early or past, early or past. So children, I hope you must have understood this poem. Do revise the poem and learn it at home. Okay, God bless you all.